Welcome to this guided meditation session, designed to focus your attention on your breath, bringing you into a state of deep relaxation and mental clarity. Please find a quiet, comfortable space where you can sit or lie down without interruptions. Gently close your eyes or lower your gaze. Place your hands in a comfortable position, perhaps on your lap or by your sides. Take a moment to settle into this space, acknowledging your presence and intention for today's practice. Begin by taking a few deep, conscious breaths. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhale slowly, letting go of any tension. Continue to breathe deeply and naturally. As you do, become aware of your body. Notice the weight of your body against the chair or floor. Feel the texture of the fabric touching your skin. Acknowledge any sounds around you, allowing them to drift into the background as you bring your focus inward. Now gently direct your full attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of air entering through your nostrils, the rise and fall of your chest, or the movement of your abdomen as you breathe. There's no need to change your breathing pattern. Simply observe it as it is. If your mind begins to wander, recognize those thoughts and then gently redirect your focus back to your breath. Let's deepen our practice by incorporating a breathing technique. Inhale deeply for a count of 4, feeling your lungs expand with air. Maning isa in. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Exhale slowly for a count of 8, releasing all the air and any tension you might be holding. Repeat this breathing cycle several times. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 3, 4, 6, 7. Exhale. 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. As you continue with your focused breathing, let this practice expand your awareness. Notice the sensations in your body with each breath you take. Observe any areas where you might be holding stress or tension, and consciously send your breath to those areas, imagining the tension dissolving with each exhale. Imagine your breath as a wave of energy, flowing through your body, reaching every corner, every cell, revitalizing and cleansing. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more relaxed, more centered, and more present. Allow this sense of peace to grow, filling you from within, expanding beyond physical boundaries, connecting you with the world around you. Begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment, keeping your eyes closed for a little while longer. Reflect on the journey you've just undertaken, acknowledging the peace and clarity you've cultivated. Feel a sense of gratitude for giving yourself this time, for your breath, and for the moment of stillness amidst the busyness of life. Gently start to bring movement back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch your arms or legs if you feel like it. Take a deep, energizing breath in, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes, welcoming the light and colors back into your view. Take a moment to notice how you feel now, compared to before the meditation. Carry this sense of calm, focus, and clarity with you as you gradually transition back into your day or night. Remember, this peaceful and centered state is always accessible to you, just a few focused breaths away. Thank you for taking this time to practice focused attention on your breath with me. May you move through your day with ease, peace, and a clear mind. Namaste.